1.
How are the pants, sir?
I think they're too short. What do you think?
Yes, I think you're right. They certainly are too short.
Can you get me a longer pair?
2.
Do you like this blouse?
Well, I think it's a little too big.
I guess so. Yes, it is pretty big.
You definitely need a smaller one.
3.
Are the sneakers comfortable?
Well, I think they're a little small for me.
Too small? Let me find a bigger pair.
4.
Are those jeans all right?
I'm afraid they're too big for me.
Okay, then let's find a smaller pair.
5.
How does the t-shirt fit? Is it too tight?
Do you have a looser one?
6.
How do you like the sandals?
Too big, I'm afraid.
Too big? Let me find a smaller size.